In front of me is Xiaomi 13T, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. You need to begin by accessing your device's keyboard and tapping on the microphone icon at the top right corner of it. If it's not visible, click on this gear instead. Now click on voice typing in keyboard settings and tap on the gray switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. When you're done, just go back to your keyboard and tap on the now finally visible microphone icon. If you never used voice typing before, select while using the app in the pop-up, wait for Speak Now command and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, just tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!